Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this BLACK+DECKER 10.8 watt-hours lithium-ion cordless dustbuster with a cyclonic action, 16.2 watt-hours. Inside we've got a lithium 1.5 ampere hours, 10.8 volt. The model is PDDV31. Now let's open to see what we have inside, what accessories and how we can work with this handheld vacuum from BLACK+DECKER. Of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. We've got some screw to mount this base at the wall, wood, concrete, soft brick, wherever you want. Or you can leave it at your table, at your kitchen countertop. As you can see, we've got the soft pad at the base. It will not damage your surface area of your furniture. We've got, of course, and the charger. It is pre-mounted inside, you cannot disconnect it. And we've got 14 volt, 400 milliamps, 5.6 volt ampere. We can see we've got these two metal contact blades. They coming in contact with a unit. We can see here. It locks that just like that, and it will start charging. Inside we've got the smart charge technology. It can charge the battery within 4 hours. 10.8 watt hours of lithium battery power is ideal for general cleaning tasks around the home. Lightweight technology provides a grab and go convenience, now up to 15% lighter than the previous model, because we've got the lithium battery inside. The previous model are with a neodymium battery. We've got translucent bagless dirt bowl. Makes it easy to see the dirt and empty. You can see inside here. At the front we've got a wide mouth design, means that the vacuum can effortlessly scoop up large debris. And of course we've got on the front the pull out greaves tool. Just pull out this, it will extend, and definitely you will reach in a tight areas and you will do your job more easy. And you can press this button and again it will fold. And of course you can unfold and that, and you will have these brushes at the front. It is to vacuum in a more sensitive areas. Nice. And we've got a removable washable dirt ball and filters. Clean it at all time. Just press this button and then you can see you can take this out. Inside we're gonna find out the filter. Pull this out. The container. The capacity of this dust bowl is 500 ml. We've got the triple action filtration, provides a great long lasting performance. Just unscrew that, take this out, and inside we can see and the filter. You can wash it at any time, and this of course, it is a soft plastic. We can see many holes. It is like a mess. And again, put it inside, rotate, and it locks. Very convenient. With this handle you can take it out. And again, you can insert it inside. We can see around we've got this rubber, prevents any dust come out and damage your motor. All the dust, it will stay inside. And very easy, just slide it again here, press, and locks. So easy. Here we've got an ergonomical design for comfortable use. We can see I like this design here. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster, lithium, 16.2 watt hours. Here we've got the on off switch. Pressing once, this is the first speed. Press it twice, we can see the LED. It is an intelligent boost mode, allows the suction power to be increased. And of course we can see with the LED we have pressed the boost mode. And we've got of course in the LED charging indicator. Well, let's connect it and charge it. Cable, it is quite long, it's about 2 meters. And very easy, just slide this unit here and is starting to charge. You can see the red LEDs flashing. And at the container, the cycloning action spins dust and debris away from the filter, so suction power remains strong. That's nice. Now I'm going to wait until it will fully charge and then I will start the test and we're going to find out together the suction power and how it's performing. And here we can see some stuff from my kitchen around the home: rice, lentils, sugar, cornflakes, bread. Starting with the first speed. Turbo. First speed. Nothing was missed from this vacuum. Amazing. It is so powerful. It can take all the dirt from your table, from your floor, from everywhere. You can even use it to clean in your car. Yeah, why not? You've gotten this extension. Definitely it will fit at tight areas at your car. Now let's see what we have at the dust collection. Pressing this button, release. Nothing was missed outside. You can see it is very clean at the motor. Everything it is in this dust collection. Remove that. You can see everything it is inside. Nice. Press and it locks. Now let's clean our couch. Now with this extended nozzle, definitely it will fit at tight areas. And you can clean them very well, or you can use the brushes at the front and clean your sensitive towels. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right way to use this Dustbuster from BLACK+DECKER handheld vacuum. Definitely it is a tool that you need to have at your home and clean at all the time at any place at your home. You don't need to use all the time your large vacuum. You've got this small vacuum. It is very helpful, portable. You can take it with you and clean at any time. Well guys, that was all about this BLACK+DECKER. Well, it cost about 45 to 60 euros. It depends the store, the discount, where and when you're gonna find out this price. And I think it is a very helpful vacuum to have it at your home and clean at all time. Or, as I said, you can clean in your car, why not? Portable, rechargeable lithium battery, it will last long enough. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.